So we have Bridgette here, and today I'm going to be using Renew Perfect Color Pink Passion, as well as the Color Play Kit Pink Tulip, and it's gonna look amazing. So let's get started. I've already pre-lightened Bridgette's hair to sort of a light blonde, and what that's going to ensure is the vibrancy of those pinks that we are going to be putting on. So I'm going to start off, and we are going to section Bridgette's hair into 4 sections. Okay, so we're going to start off with our foils, and you can definitely do this at home with some regular aluminium foil. All you're going to do is you're going to cut it into sort of thin strips like this. Depending on how sort of thick you want your section is determined by how wide you're going to do. Fantastic, and we are done. All that's left to do now is to process for 30 minutes, and I must be honest, I am very impressed with the results so far.